Hey, turn around, look at Kava, so I can fix it. Okay, ready? Okay, take a look at them.
I'm ready for you to flip them over.
No, you're not. You know where they're all at right now?
Yep.
You sure? Okay, turn around so I can flip them over.
Can I open them now?
Not yet. Okay, I'm ready. Can you find me a red one?
See, I told you.
That's crazy. How about a green one?
A green one?
Yeah. Oh, very good. Can you find me a purple one? No. Where's the purple one? Is it? Very good.
Yeah.
Can you find me... You listening? The other green. Very good. How about the yellow? How about... No. I want the other yellow. Where's the other yellow? Leave it there. But where's the other one? Very good. How about the pink? Very good. What's this one?
You tell me.
No, you tell me what it is. Orange? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're right. How about where's the blue one?
Right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Very good. And what's left right here?
Wait.
Green?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. High five.
Now take a picture of it.